All airsoft players can undoubtedly agree that sprinting through a dense forest or cramped alley with a high-capacity magazine is incredibly annoying. Both the size of the magazine and the racket it makes while moving both impede your agility and stealth. This problem began my journey to find a 3D printed alternative to the expensive and loud high-capacity magazines. Part 1 of this journey was uploaded previously, so if you haven't seen the beginning, go ahead and watch the video first, then come back here. I worked on the proof of concept from part 1 and added some more permanent features. The magazine is no longer held together by rubber bands, but by screws that hold the magazine securely together. A few of the measurements were off, so I adjusted them to fit precisely. I also changed the BB stop design slightly and the pathway that the spring goes on. It definitely works better, but there are still many upgrades necessary for it to become the perfect airsoft magazine. I hope to be able to show you the magazine in my airsoft machine gun in this video, but some of the measurements for the outer casing of the magazine were off by millimeters. It would not fit. Next video, the magazine will be able to fit smoothly into the gun bay. Each video gets us closer and closer to the perfect 3D printed airsoft magazine, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell for part 3.